Dust off your bell bottoms and fire up the lava lamp, because we're taking a trip back to the swinging 60s, baby. And what better way to cruise through that groovy era than behind the wheel of a legend, the 1967 Dodge Monaco. This ain't your average muscle car. This is a 440 cubic inch V8 beast, a fire-breathing dragon disguised in a sleek turquoise suit. Buckle up and feel the G-force as you unleash 375 screaming horses with every push of the pedal. This isn't just transportation, it's an adrenaline rush on 4 wheels. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about the 1967 Dodge Monaco, from its history, features, performance, and condition. I will also show you a rare example of this car that was recently auctioned in 2021, and how much it sold for. So, without further ado, let's get started. History. The 1967 Dodge Monaco was part of the 4th generation of the Dodge C-body cars, which were produced from 1965 to 1974. The Monaco was the top-of-the-line model, offering luxury, performance, and prestige. It was marketed as the hot one from Dodge, and competed with other full-size cars like the Ford Galaxie 500, the Chevrolet Impala, and the Pontiac Bonneville. The 1967 Monaco was available in 4 body styles: a 2-door hardtop, a 4-door hardtop, a 4-door sedan, and a 4-door station wagon. It came with a standard 383 cubic inch V8 engine, which delivered 270 horsepower and 390 pound-feet of torque. However, for those who wanted more power, there was an optional 440 cubic inch V8 engine, which boosted the output to 350 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque. This engine was also used in the Dodge Charger and the Dodge Coronet RT, making the Monaco a true muscle car. The Monaco was not only fast, but also comfortable and stylish. It had a spacious interior, with plush seats, wood grain accents, and a variety of options, such as power windows, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and a radio. The exterior was sleek and elegant, with a long hood, a short deck, and a distinctive grille. The car came in a range of colors, but one of the most popular ones was turquoise, a bright and eye-catching shade that contrasted well with the white vinyl top and the white interior. The Dodge Monaco was a car that attracted attention and admiration, both on the road and off. It was driven by famous people, such as Elvis Presley, Frank Sinatra, and Lyndon B. Johnson. It was also featured in movies and TV shows, such as Bullitt, The Mod Squad, and The Brady Bunch. It was a car that represented the American dream, the spirit of adventure, and the joy of driving. Now that you know a bit about the history of the 1967 Dodge Monaco, let me tell you more about its features and specifications. As I mentioned before, this car had an optional 440 cubic inch V8 engine, one of the most powerful engines of its time. It boasted a 4-barrel carburetor, a dual exhaust system, and a 3-speed automatic transmission. It could rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 8 seconds, topping out at over 120 miles per hour. Its torsion bar suspension, heavy-duty shocks, and 15-inch wheels ensured a smooth and stable ride. The 1967 Dodge Monaco was not only a beast under the hood, but also a beauty inside and out. It had a roomy and luxurious interior, with seating for 6, a padded dashboard, a clock, a glove box, and a cigarette lighter. It also had a lot of storage space, with a trunk that could fit up to 4 suitcases, and a fold-down rear seat that could accommodate larger items. The car had a stunning exterior, with a turquoise paint job, a white vinyl top, a chrome bumper, and a Monaco emblem on the front fender. It also had a rust-free body, which was rare for a car of this age. The 1967 Dodge Monaco was a car that had it all: power, comfort, and style. It was a car that made a statement, and that statement was, "I am the king of the road." Interior and features. But wait, there's more. Step inside this rolling time capsule and prepare to be transported. Sink into the luscious white vinyl seats, feel the smooth wood grain trim between your fingers, and breathe in the sweet scent of that brand new vinyl top. This ain't just a muscle car, it's a first-class lounge on wheels. Imagine rolling up to the drive-in with the windows down, tunes blasting, and every head turning your way. You'll be the king, or queen, of the cool in this turquoise dream machine. Condition and rarity. This ain't no museum piece. This Monaco is a survivor, meticulously maintained and kept in showroom condition. No rust, no fading, just pure, unadulterated automotive perfection. This beauty is as rare as a disco ball in a library, a true head-turner that'll leave collectors drooling and casual car enthusiasts speechless. Yes, this turquoise titan of the road crossed the auction block in 2021, leaving a trail of broken hearts and empty wallets in its wake. But who knows, maybe one day, this legend could grace your garage. So keep your eyes peeled, classic car fanatics, because a 1967 Dodge Monaco like this doesn't come around often. And when it does, well, let's just say prepare to empty your piggy bank and lose your breath. This ain't just a car review, folks. This is a love letter to a legend. So hit that subscribe button, like and share this video, and let's take a nostalgic trip down memory lane, one roaring 440 cubic inch at a time. Remember, if you see a turquoise blur zoom past, chances are, it's the ghost of the 1967 Dodge Monaco, out there living its best life. And who knows, maybe someday, it'll be yours. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and start your search for the 1967 Dodge Monaco today, and make it your own. And when you do, don't forget to share your story, your experience, and your joy with me and with the rest of the world. Because I would love to hear from you, and to see your car in action. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you want to learn more about the 1967 Dodge Monaco, or any other vintage car, please check out the link